Hello everyone, this is Frank, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add multiple posts type on your Elementor website. So very quickly I'll show you how you are going to do it. So if you come back, if you come to your post page, so you'll see this edit post. So once you come here, the source, you can see under the query. So once you just click on it, you'll see all the items. So this source, you can choose a particular post, you can choose a pages, FAQ, manner selection, currently query, and all that. This is limited. We want a situation whereby we can add the post and the page at the same time, or we want to display more than this. We also want to display custom post type on our WordPress website. We can't just use this to achieve that. So we need to use a what we call a code snippets. So the first thing you do, you head over to this website, wordpress.org/plugin/code/snippets. So you want to download and activate this code snippets on our WordPress website. So you can just download from here, or you can install and activate it from your WordPress dashboard directly. So I'll just go back to my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so here I already have I already have it installed on my WordPress dashboard. So here is it. But before then, I'll show you something. So we're going to apply code on that code snippets. So we want to be able to display a post, pages, and custom post type. So you can see multiple post types in a post we get. So we just want to copy this PHP code, copy this, and you head over to your WordPress dashboard. So you click on the snippets. The essence of this code snippets, it allows you to add code to your WordPress theme without you having to edit or customize the theme directly. That is the child theme or the parent theme, whichever one. So code snippets make it easier for us to just add code to our WordPress. So you can see the available code we've created before. So we want to create a new one. So head over here and click on add new. Okay, so you just give a title. So let me just say multiple posts, a column, and I want to display the posts. I want to display the page. This doesn't really matter. It's just a title. You can use any title of your choice. So don't mind the way I'm doing it like this. It doesn't have any effect. So it's just a title I'm giving it. So the code we copied, we just paste it here. So here's the code, and so in here we can just want to be able to display the post. So let's say posts, and also want to display a page. Okay, so maybe you have a custom post type, you also want to display your custom post type. You just give a space here and something like this, then give give it the name of your custom post type. Let's just say tiger, like this. You add a comma, or don't just leave it. If you want to display multiple ones, you can add comma, 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 like that. And the last one, you're not going to add comma. So here, so the query ID, we need to copy it. So you can see this is query ID, my query by post types. You can edit it and give it something, something light. But I just want to stick with this. But if you feel like this query ID is too long, you can just give it something shorter that you can just okay. So I'm just gonna stick with this. So I'll copy this. So you copy this. So I'm showing you where I'm gonna paste this. So before you leave this page, you have to save it. So you need to save changes and activate. So you just click on save changes and activate. Okay, so our changes are successfully saved. So you head over to where you're going to implement this. So you can see the query ID. I want to paste this here. Okay, so as you can see, I don't only have post page is created. I only have the post created, so that's why I didn't display it. It just display only my post. So that's how you can create multiple posts, not just a particular post or that's available on your WordPress website. So guys, if this video helps you, kindly make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I do drop tips and tricks on how you can navigate. If you're finding difficult accessing or doing a feature on your WordPress website, I drop tips on how to be successful on your WordPress website. Okay, so that is that. Once you add it, you just click publish. Thank you guys and have a great day.